Your relationship and lack of trust. Love can't exist without trust. If one person within the relationship constantly feels as though the other is sneaking around or hiding secrets, or perhaps has even been caught being unfaithful, this can damage the trust in a relationship. Mutual trust can be a strong basis for a healthy relationship. When that trust is breached, not only does one partner feel betrayed, disappointed and cheated, but the other partner can often feel enormous guilt. These negative emotions can lead to other problems within the relationship, including communication problems and insecurity. Building and earning another person's trust and respect takes time, especially after catching your partner out on something major, like an affair or a significant lie. Only you can know whether you're prepared to forgive a major breach in trust. If you do decide to work on mending the relationship, you should also be prepared not to throw the indiscretion back in the other person's face at every opportunity. When you've told your partner you're willing to forgive what's happened, but then immediately make them feel bad for it all over again at every opportunity, you're holding a grudge, which can break down any work you've done towards trying to fix your relationship. Mending the rift. If the trust in your relationship has been destroyed, trying to cling to your partner or not let them out of your sight is not going to make things better. You'll end up smothering the other person and making them feel suffocated. Your own fears about them repeating the problem are creating even less trust, which can spiral into a vicious cycle. Holding a grudge and reminding your partner about their behavior regularly is also a sign that you're not willing to forgive and move on. Your partner may begin to feel as though it's all too hard if you're not willing to work on more positive ways to get through a bad patch. Communication and understanding are vital when you're trying to mend a breach in trust. Give your partner the benefit of the doubt. If he or she is truly sorry for the behavior and seems honestly regretful about it, then there's a chance that it was a mistake and won't be repeated. However, there are some occasions where it may be possible to consider if you want to remain in the relationship at all. Only you can know if you're willing to forgive a breach of trust.